something else.
Good, go. Alright, over the hill, we got 3 balls on the left-hand side. Alright.
One more.
Right rear, get the hose off.
Push the on the right.
Go, go.
Let me know when he's back on.
Alright, we good?
Ready? Go, 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 go. Target on the right. Target on the right, target on the right. Fill the hole.
There you go.
Fill the shot, get ready to fill the shot.
Alright. Good. Shit, we haven't even used any water yet.
Nah. We're doing good. Yeah, it's good.
Just stop flashing.
Now we're going to push that cone on the right-hand side. What are we going to be in the grass? I think we're going to be in the grass and push the cone.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do the grass.
Yeah,
Alright.
tell me when to go. Get them guys on the left-hand side. Get them on the left side. We got to go in the grass to go around the barrel. We need to run that part. Ready to go? You good?
Go, go.
Left side. I got to go in the grass. That cart, you got to push it across the next line.
Keep that by your window.
No,
no,
that one, the one right next to me. Keep pushing.
Push on the left-hand side of it. Alright, good, good. Keep on water on the left. Good. Time is just under 6 minutes.
That's good.
I don't know how much they're going to charge you here.
Yeah, I don't know. I screwed that up.
But yeah, you got to come this way
Yeah,
next
got
time.
it. Yeah, my job is a little bit so I screw up at the beginning.
That was a practice run.
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah. But time, even if with him sitting back there, that was like a 3-second delay off the bat. You did a fucking hell of a job, guys.
Gotta get the fill up sometime now.
Nah, we got fucking water.
Yeah, but maybe we're gonna have to fill it up. How much you think we used to,
Last that shit? Not enough.
Now stay by behind. Hey, you cut the corner.
yeah.
We're going to end 5 seconds at a time. You
Okay.
still have the
So
best
5
time.
seconds?
Okay.
All right,
And
make sure you make that turn.
yeah, I realized I screwed that up.
So then we're still under 6 minutes.
Nice run, guys.
Thanks.
Real nice.
It's the first time ever doing this, too. So it's good.
Fun.
Ah, it's a blast, man. It's a picture.
Hell yeah.
He said we still got the best time, even with the 5-second penalty.
Nice. Good guys.
He said we still got the best time, even with the 5-second penalty. Woo! Damn.